In my opinion, the overall style of Xiaomi SU7 is more sporty, already very similar to all new ZEEKR 001, and it covers all price ranges. It also overlaps closely with all new ZEEKR 001. It just so happens that I have driven both of these cars recently, and they are all top-of-the-line models. I can put my subjective feelings. Tell it to everyone. First, the first question. How to compare Xiaomi SU7 to ZEEKR 001 when driving? Who is more athletic? This problem is undoubtedly that Xiaomi SU7 is more sporty. At the same time, also equipped with free spin and CDC variable resistance shock absorbers. But in terms of chassis feel, Xiaomi SU7 in sportsman mode, definitely better than all new ZEEKR 001, more sporty in sport mode. First of all, the chassis of Xiaomi SU7 will be tighter than that of ZEEKR 001. When crossing a ditch or a ridge, the road information conveyed to you by the car body, there will be more, and when cornering at high speed, the suspension will also be more responsive to body roll. The support will also be better. ZEEKR 001 is a sports hunting suit. But I have to admit, chassis tuning. It is true that Xiaomi SU7 is more sporty than ZEEKR 001. Power aspect. Both vehicles have dual motors at the front and rear, and they are all front induction ego motors. Rear permanent magnet synchronous motor. Dual motors of Xiaomi SU7. It can burst out 673 horses and 838 Nm of violent power. The power of ZEEKR 001 will be slightly larger. Achieve 789 horses and 810 Nm. It also makes Xiaomi SU7 accelerate from 100 km to 100 km faster than ZEEKR 001. Reach 2.78 seconds. ZEEKR 001 is 3.3 seconds, although there are some differences. Of course, the acceleration experience between the two is still different. Xiaomi SU7 the power release will be more direct, almost no lag. This setting and its overall positioning are still very suitable.